Welcome viewers to Startup News. I'm your host Abhishek. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app now. Top headlines for today are: restrictions on the sky route for drones. Amazon stepping forward to work with startups. Amazon invests 450 crore rupees to expand Amazon Pay. The news in detail are: airspace map for drones operations has been released by the Ministry of Civil Aviation to indicate the permission and non-permission areas for flying drones. The map can be accessed using the Directorate General of Civil Aviation's Digital Sky platform. Amazon Web Services is collaborating with MeItWise Startup Hub to encourage technology innovation and sustainable growth of Indian startups. Their focus is to identify startups with deep technology capabilities and will help them to pop up impactful solutions that will contribute to the biggest problems facing the society of India. Amazon has invested 450 crore rupees to strengthen its payments unit Amazon Pay in the Indian market to compete with the Flipkart and other e-commerce companies. Logistic unicorn Delhivery has raised $125 million from a New York-based investment firm Lee Fixel, where Delhivery is expected to raise between $800 million to $1 billion through its IPO. With a $300 million fund in April, like an unstoppable machine, Meesho again marked the financing round by Fidelity with $550 to $600 million. Small businesses, mostly oriented by women, got a chance to shine by holding the hands of Meesho. Amazon's Great Indian Festival will start from 4th October and is expected to continue till Diwali. The sale is likely to clash with Flipkart's Big Billion Days that will held from 7th to 12th October. Y Combinator-backed Carbon Card, a corporate card fintech, has raised $12 million as a part of its pre-Series A funding from investors including US fintech unicorn Ramp, Rainfall Ventures, Roka Works and Y Combinator among others. The fund is focusing on doubling its headcount to 60 over the next 6 months. Gurugram-based online to offline commerce platform DotPay made all-cash deal with point-of-sale startup Rista. Footstepping on point-of-sale segment will help DotPay to spread its net to the offline merchants. E-commerce platform Myntra has received 492 crore rupees from Flipkart for the boost-up in the upcoming festival season sales. They are aiming to offer huge discounts in the timing of Durga Puja and Diwali. Tata Digital Limited is electing Modan Saha as the CEO of Financial Services, as far as his previous role as the CEO of TSMG is concerned. Saha will remain responsible for Tata Digital Financial Services. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can also follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in.